Hi everyone, welcome to this Espresso Martini Masterclass. I'm Harriet Hendry, one of the brand ambassadors at Pernod Ricard UK, and today I'm going to be taking you through the Signature Espresso Martini. For this drink, you're going to need a coupe or a martini glass. You'll also need a shaker. If you don't have a shaker at home, empty jam jars will work, or a mason jar. You'll need a strainer. Again, if you don't have one of these, a household sieve will work just as well. And finally, you're going to need a jigger or something to measure with. A standard UK shot glass will also work perfectly. That's 25 millilitres. So the Espresso Martini, arguably one of the most famous drinks. It was invented by a gentleman called Dick Bradsell in 1983 in the Soho Brasserie for an unnamed supermodel. Have a search of the story if you want to see what the ending was like. But let's move on to the drink. So take your shaker and add a good handful of ice. About 4 or 5 cubes will work well. We're then going to be using 35 millilitres of Absolut Vanilia. So 35 millilitres of Absolut Vanilia. We're then going to be going in with 30 millilitres of espresso coffee. Next up, 20 millilitres of Kahlua, which is our coffee liqueur. So 20 millilitres of Kahlua. 10 millilitres of vanilla syrup. Now you can find this at most big supermarkets or in your kit. So 10 millilitres of vanilla syrup just to add a sweet element. And then finally, we're going to add 15 millilitres of Aquafaba, and this will just add a bit of crema or foam to the drink. We're going to shake. I recommend shaking for around 20 seconds or until it is too cold to hold. Give it a good hit to open it. And then we're going to strain straight into our coupe glass. And you should have a lovely crema on top. That's the foam. So straining straight into the glass. Make sure you give the shaker a shake to get all of the cream out of it. And we're going to garnish with 3 coffee beans. And these 3 beans represent health, wealth and happiness. So you're 1, 2, 3 with your coffee beans, and there you've got your signature espresso martini. Cheers!